product works, agent. The last thing we need is more Reese's spirit.
Intruder detected! Stunned with some sweetness. Nice work, team.
Now, agents, it's time to see what you are here to protect. The Crystal Cup.
Agents, the factory has been breached. This is not a drill. I repeat, not a drill.
No, but that is...
Agents, it's the League!
We need to stop them.
Training's over.
The Crystal Cup is... mint.
Without the Crystal Cup, the factory has no power. We need your Reese's spirit. You can't stand it. The Crystal Cup is absorbing the energy.
After him.
You need to stop that man. You can't let him get away with the cup. Don't let Mint get away.
That's the spirit. Show him what you're made of.
We need to retrieve the Crystal Cup. Stay alert. Mint has to be around here somewhere. Keep your eyes peeled. Mint can't be far. How are those toys, agents? We need your Reese's spirit. You can do this! It's all of you! Look, we can't let him escape!
Oh no! Mint's gotten into the lab.
Good job, agent! Give us the cup, Mint!
Oh no! I'm trapped! And now, my secret game plan!
Back up! Don't let him get away! Let's go! There they are!
Show them what you're made of.
Get up, Mint! Don't let them get away! He's made a bomb, so let's make a bubble! Aim for the Mint on his body! That's it! Keep it up!
You did it! Nice work, agents. Look out at the Reese's Cupfusion Hall of Fame day to see the scores.
Aren't you sweet, Pipsqueak?
Please remain seated until your Reese's transport has come to a complete stop. And come back again, agents. The Crystal Cup needs your Reese's spirit.